Hi guys, welcome back to Journey Teachers. So today we have Garima with us. Garima, would you like to introduce yourself?
So my name is Garima Goel. I hail from Delhi. I'm doing my masters in psychology HRDM from Christ University. I'm in my first year right now. I did my graduation in psychology honors itself from Delhi University.
That's really great, and Garima is here to share her insights on the psychology department in Christ University, specifically masters, as she is currently doing that course. And it's great to have you here on the channel.
Thank you so much.
So let's begin with the very first question. So, what's your experience about student life and university life in Christ as you are in your second semester right now?
Student life, I guess it's a very disciplined, and we have proper timetable. We have proper schedule of every day how our classes are gonna get. We don't even have we sometimes have extra classes. So the student life is great overall. When I talk about the central campus, it's very happening. A lot of activities happen here every day, and there are a lot of activities in the psychology department also. So there are a lot of courses and masters in psychology, and we do something or the other every day. We have presentations, we have outdoor classes, we have activities, we sometimes also have we have stalls coming up, we have our fest coming up. So student life is great. If you want to enjoy the life here, you can definitely enjoy it, but it's still, you have to study also, and you can enjoy at the same time.
Great, that's really wonderful, because psychology department itself has a lot of opportunities, a lot of activities ongoing with themselves. The psychology association is quite active, and it engages all the classes under under all of it. So it's really pretty interesting.
Right.
Okay, so some advice for aspiring students in terms of the application and selection process in psychology courses based upon your experience.
Okay, so I can talk about masters in psychology. So we have around 9 to 10 specializations in psychology at Christ University Central Campus, and usually the forms get out around December or January, I guess. And so we already we have a entrance test, and then we have the interview with micro presentation. So basic advice I would like to give is, if you want to do masters, you should have basic knowledge about psychology itself, the course you are pursuing, the field that you want to specialize in. You should have knowledge about that, because that's the main thing if you want to get into Christ. The selection procedure is fairly easy. It's not so tough if you have the confidence and the knowledge about it, right? So suppose I'm in master's psychology HRDM. So in my selection procedure, entrance was common for all of us, but in the interview procedure, my questions were related to basic psychology and related to HRDM and research. So Christ emphasizes a lot on research in masters. So if you are really interested in doing research, then Christ is the best place for you.
That's pretty cool, because research is something which is cherished, and it is kind of propagated in Christ University a lot, because
Yeah.
research is a very important skill one should have, and we have a different research block as well, R&D block.
Yeah.
So it's really given much more importance than anything else.
Yeah, and also the psychology department has a new infrastructure altogether. So the new block that has been created in the R&D block, that is mainly for psychology department itself. So it's a huge block, and it has all the facilities, especially for counseling psychology. We have group therapy rooms, we have play rooms, we have individual counseling rooms. So there are a lot of, the infrastructure is too good for psychology department.
Right, and we specifically are talking about the Bangalore Central Campus.
Yeah.
So, yeah, okay. So, one of the common questions that students consider is the faculty as well. So, what do you have to say about this?
I personally think the faculty in my course is extremely knowledgeable. They all are scholars. I mean, you can go to them any time of the day, and they will give you their extra time to you to clear all your doubts, to take you at the right path. I think the faculty of psychology department is something that is most it most attracts the students from outside to get into Christ. The faculty is too good. We have more than 100 faculty in specifically psychology department at the central campus. We have so many, because there are a lot of courses in psychology, right? So we have a lot of faculty and they are all so knowledgeable. They are very kind to you and you can connect with them any time of the day.
Yeah, and that applies to even faculty from all different departments at SHIES. But like this faculty here is really knowledgeable and they're really supportive for the students.
Right. Even in the research, when you start research in your masters, you all get individual mentors in faculty, right? So they are there for you anytime. They will guide you. They'll help you get through research. They'll help you with the topics. They'll help you with the procedure. So the faculty is too good.
Okay, so I also want to ask about the entrance exam, essay and interview. So what would be some tips based on psychology for the people watching?
Okay, for entrance test, I would say you should have, if you are getting into Masters of Psychology, depends on the course as well. Like I'm into HRDM, so the entrance is divided into two parts basically. If we talk about it, the first part will have basics of psychology. It will include introduction to psychology, individual differences. It will have a lot of questions related to psychological research and ethical guidelines. Ethics in psychology is extremely important because we are going to be psychologists. We are going to face people, right? So we have to maintain certain ethics. So these four things are main. Other than this, depends on the field that you are getting into. I was into HRDM, so there were some questions related to industrial organization psychology. Some of them were related to HR. So that's that. And talking about interview, my interview was taken by the HRDM department itself. So they asked me questions related to research, because research is a huge thing in psychology department, because we have to do research compulsorily, right? So questions were related to research, related to HR, related to organization psychology and basic psychology. That's it. Even micro presentation differs for everybody, but it is very basic. I mean, you don't have to do something extra to get it to go through the micro presentation. It will be very basic. You should just be confident why you want to get into it, and you should have knowledge of psychology. And for psychology, I feel if you want to get into the field of psychology, you either excel at it or you don't do it at all, because psychology is something that is not so hyped, or it's not so people don't really value it a lot in a country. So if you want to get into psychology, just do it passionately.
Right, that was completely agreed upon by me, because like psychology is something which people are realizing it's important slowly. And the thing is, for the interview also, for the preparing for the micro presentation, you just need to be prepared well and do your research well before the interview, and you will be good to go.
Exactly. And there are a lot of questions related to why you want to get into Christ. Their main focus is on, are you actually confident enough? Are you actually passionate about getting into Christ? Because Christ is hectic, and if you really want to get into it, if you are happy here, then only you will be able to survive. Otherwise you won't be able to, because it is going to be hectic. There are days when you're going to get free at 5-6 in the evening, getting up at 7 in the morning. So if you really want to get into Christ, you have to have you should have an inner passion to get into Christ.
Okay, perfect. What do the psychology department's course curriculum, activities and programs actually look like? Like what is the routine of the students?
Okay, so we have classes starting from 9 in the morning and it goes up till 4 in the evening. We have classes Monday to Saturday, and so it depends on different courses. So in masters, if I talk about, mostly all courses have classes till 3rd semester. 4th semester also we have classes, but most of us are doing internships also. So in 4th semester it becomes very we are doing internship and college at the same time. Even though we don't have classes the whole week, but we'll do two things together. So till third semester it's like college, and in fourth semester you start doing internship, you start getting the field exposure that you want to.
That is quite an interesting thing, because like internship is a very important part for you to actually just not study theory but go into the field and get
Right.
hands-on experience. Okay, so what are some of the career options that students take, or the placement opportunities after studying psychology at Christ?
So it depends totally on what course you are pursuing. If I am into HRDM, I can get into the corporate world easily. So I have this benefit that I am specializing in HRDM, and I have a psychology background as well, which is, the recruiters are looking for psychology people nowadays. There are a lot of placement opportunities as well. We get placements from a lot of companies like Deloitte. We get from a lot of hiring agencies also. We get placements. There are a lot of good companies that come into the campus, and along with that, internships also provide enough exposure that people are able to actually get good jobs themselves also.
Right. So these are some of the really reputed names, and Christ offers you the advantage of actually doing internship with them and building your career with those kinds of companies. Okay. So what would be your overall advice for the students actually wanting to get into Christ, and specifically in the psychology department?
My advice will be the same. If you really want to get into Christ, if you want to get into psychology, just be passionate about it. If you should have enough knowledge, because psychology, again, you have to excel at it. If you want, you have to show the world that you are a psychologist, you are someone from psychology background, and Christ is the best place, because Christ is extremely good for psychology department. I was in Delhi University previously, and I can confidently say that I am at the best place right now. And that's all. Just do your best, give your best, and be confident in what you know. That's all that matters.
And if you are ready, Christ has everything to offer to you.
Exactly. You have to look for opportunities. Things happen here every day. Extracurriculars, academics, related to everything. Something or the other keeps happening here every day. You just have to grab those opportunities.
And I also feel like, not just you studying psychology in theory, but psychology department itself gives you a lot of opportunities. For example, we have different street plays or, kind of contests coming up, which gives students a chance to participate in the extracurricular activities and relate those with psychology and different fields of psychology.
Right, that's what, when I speak about my course, so my faculty is so, they are so supportive, they are so concerned about the students. Whenever we don't feel like taking a class, they take us outdoors. We sometimes have class near the lakeside, we have classes in Birds Park. Then sometimes we don't even have classes, we just do some activity with each other. We sometimes, they sometimes leave us also if we don't feel like studying. So they are flexible enough, but they are disciplined also, but they are flexible enough to consider your needs also.
And they will be very much willing to assist you and kind of guide you for writing your research paper.
Definitely.
They actually want students to work with them for
Definitely,
writing
yeah.
and publishing their own research papers. So you
Right.
got the brilliant opportunity here as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to talk about the ways the people watching actually can reach out to you for any further guidance?
Yeah, sure. You can all reach out in my mail. It's Garima, GARIMA 042000 @gmail.com. You can also share my LinkedIn ID. You can connect there with me.
Perfect. So I will drop the mail ID and the LinkedIn both in the description below, so that you guys can reach out to her. And thank you so much, Garima, for coming here. It was wonderful to talk to you.
Thank you so much for having me.
I'm really sure that a lot of students who were texting to her about the psychology department would be very much happy now and very.
I hope this helped.
Definitely. And thank you so much.
Thank you.